Hey everyone, what's up? There comes a time in everybody's life where we need to choose our career paths. But for some lucky people, the career path chooses them. Something similar happened with our today's guest, Rakesh. Rakesh is from a small but a very sacred town of Shirdi. And from there to working in a top-class MNC company, his journey has been an inspiration to all of us. In this session, he has tried to share his real-time experience of working into multiple companies and literally told how a DBA life looks like. In this session, he talks about selection process, interviews, work-life balance of a DBA, roles and responsibilities, and of course, challenges. In this podcast, we have tried to gain some great insights from Rakesh. So do watch till the end. Hello Rakesh, कैसे हैं आप?
Hey, I'm fine. What about you?
I am also very good. First of all, thank you very much for coming to Learn My Technologies.
Yeah,
and
thank you.
It's a very actually great opportunity for us to discuss some things with you. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start. जो पहला question I would like to ask is like tell me about yourself. Who are you and like आपका थोड़ा background बताइए.
Okay, see, myself, my name is Rakesh Kulkarni.
Yeah.
I'm basically from Nagar district, near Shirdi,
Yes.
Sai Baba. Okay. So, from last 10 years, I'm staying in Pune. Okay. So, I came down after my graduation, completing graduation, okay, at my native. And then I started my career in Oracle DBA.
Okay.
So, I have total around 9 years of experience as an Oracle DBA.
Okay.
And currently I'm working in Qualis, which is situated in Baner itself, Balewadi.
Yeah, Balewadi.
Okay. Yeah. So yeah, in my free time, I like riding bikes and roaming with my pet and my friends.
Okay.
Yeah.
You own a pet, right?
Yeah. I have a pet, a Labrador.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, about your graduation part, like what kind of degree you have?
Okay, so I completed my graduation in BSc Computer Science. Okay, that is
BSc Computer
BCS.
Science. So you already belong to a technical background.
Technical background, yeah.
Okay. And like since you are not a Punekar, तो
half
आपका
Punekar, half Nagarkar, you can select.
अच्छा okay. अच्छा अब आप 10 सालों से यहाँ पे, so you are like have become
Nagarkar, Punekar, like that.
you have become a Punekar half. Okay. So like how you ended up as an Oracle DBA?
So it's a pretty long story. I will make it short and let you know.
Yeah,
okay.
Of course, please.
So when I completed my graduation, I was pretty much sure, our gang was pretty much sure that we are going to back 1 or 2 subjects.
Oh my God.
So we came down to Pune just in search of job that we can do and earn money. Okay. Meanwhile, if we get a backlog, we
after
can...
degree or
means after degree.
Okay.
When we.
So were you passed in all subjects?
No.
Okay, so somebody who was like who had backed
in
2 or 3 subjects has a successful career in IT.
Yes, right. We had a gang. So we came down to Pune for a job search. Okay. So we decided we will do a job in call center. Just Dial was a big fad at that time, right?
At that time, right?
Yeah.
Of course.
So in 2014. So it was a big show currently.
Yeah, of course.
So we thought that we will do that and we will earn money. And once we get the subjects which are back cleared, we can go for a post graduation. So
you were like so stuck in between that you decided to work in BPO.
Yeah. But when I came down to Pune, I lived in the heart of the city. Okay. Which is near Puladesh Pandey Garden.
Okay.
With my brothers. Okay. And as I didn't have any vision, okay, what I need to do, so they guided me actually. Okay, what things can be placed and you should opt this path.
Right.
So they were doing an Oracle DBA class. Okay. So they insisted me to do that. So instead of going and earning money, which will fluctuate your mind and you will not have a proper path or a direction.
Right.
So I also agreed. I joined the class with them. And it was the start of my career and the best part of my career.
So going a little back at like choosing your graduation degree, at that time, did you ever thought like I'll end up as an Oracle DBA or you didn't have any knowledge about
that's what I said, right? I didn't have any kind of vision, okay, in my life that I will go and pursue as an Oracle DBA. See, as I told that we are from a village place, okay?
Yeah,
it's a not urban area. Urban area, not a town place like that.
Right.
Okay. And we didn't have any kind of mentors or guidance, okay, that you should go with this flow. Okay, there was only seen that you need to complete your 12th and you need to pursue engineering or a BCS degree.
Of course. Like, well, I can see that you are from a very like pious place, very sacred place, and
yes.
I guess Sai Baba helped you to have a successful career.
Definitely, yes.
Of course. And like, okay, moving forward, like when you ended up like you did your course, you did your like you
Oracle DBA.
taken the training itself, right? After that, what was the first company you applied to?
Okay, so I started my career with Vodafone, okay? HP Vodafone.
Okay, as a Oracle DBA
As a
itself.
Oracle DBA, junior Oracle DBA.
Okay.
Okay, which is situated in, which was there, okay, at, in Kalyani Nagar.
Okay.
Cerebrum IT Park.
Okay.
So there as well, my brother helped me, okay, to prepare for the interviews and all that.
Do you still remember your first interview?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
I do I do appreciate my brother for that. Okay. Due to his help, my both the brothers, they helped me a lot.
So they are also Oracle DBAs?
Yeah, they both are Oracle DBAs.
Oh my God, your family, your whole family is working on Oracle DBA.
Yes, definitely. And they are both are placed in proper MNCs, big MNCs. So they guided me with the questions and all that things. What kind of questions would be there? And as of you would be also aware that Oracle DBA, we don't have to give test or like that.
Yeah,
okay?
Of course.
It is a scenario based, right?
Or logic based.
Yeah, so that helps a lot, okay, to crack the interview. Yeah,
right.
So it was a best experience and thrilled experience. For first time I was given the interview.
What kind of questions, like what kind of questions that were asked in that time and which are different nowadays?
Okay. So when I started my career, it was around 2015.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. In I guess in October.
Okay.
Okay. I got placed. So when I was preparing for the interviews and the calls which I was getting, okay. So earlier, before the COVID, we have to go face to face. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
So telephonic, there was a fixed rounds where one would be a telephonic round.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I had a training experience as well. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, from the institute itself.
Okay. Right.
So they would ask for telephonic, then face to face, and HR like that. Or if manager asked for the round, we have that round as well, manager round.
Yeah.
So in 2015, see, RAC came in a picture. Okay, Oracle 10G. Okay, 10G was introduced.
Right.
That was a grid and a real application cluster was in place. So, moreover, all the companies were trying to grab guys who have a knowledge on RAC. Okay. But basically, as we were junior DBAs, we were focused on the things, monitoring things, or any basic checks are there, right? Like user managements are there. Many basic things are there.
Yeah.
Okay. So that were the points which were asked in the interview with RAC as well. Okay. But basic knowledge we should have.
So during your training course, you learned RAC as well?
Yeah, we had RAC courses as well. Okay, our sir guided, means the mentor who was there. He guided with us the steps as well, how it has been installed. We had done the setup as well, but it's little bit different. Okay, which companies are working on. Means actually what work we are doing in the company is totally different from we are doing at home.
Do you remember like how many interviews you gave?
Yeah, definitely. I would like to share my experience. Okay, one of the Amdocs experience. As I was a junior DBA, so there is a criteria for every company, right? Every MNC. If somewhat years you have not completed, you will have to go with the process. That is your aptitude test, group discussion.
Yeah.
I went for Amdocs, and I was out with the aptitude itself.
Oh my God.
So afterwards, I tried and I got placed in HP Vodafone. Means it was a third-party payroll first, and later on, I switched to MNCs.
Okay, like how many years later you tried to make your first switch?
Okay, so actually, to let you know, there was a big change in my life. I had met with an accident, okay, where I was in coma for 2 months.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. So around an year, okay, my company supported me, the same company.
Vodafone.
Yeah. So I guess in 2019, means 2016, I had an accident just after a year of my job joining.
Yeah.
So my company teammates also helped me a lot. So in 2019, I guess after 3.5 years, I
made
made a first switch.
Okay.
Yeah. So it was necessity actually. Okay. So we say, right, we need to move out of our comfort zone.
Yeah, of course.
That is the thing.
Exactly.
If you don't do, you will be stuck over there, and so you lack in the confidence afterwards.
Exactly. I totally agree. Sometimes like switching is not because of the work environment or just because of the salary thing. It's just for the growth,
right.
because you are so comforted in the atmosphere, you're so enclosed in that bubble that you had to bust it and you have to come out of
that. Right.
I completely agree with that. Okay. So may I ask that what was your first package? Just if you are comfortable.
So comparatively, that is also one more point. Okay. So comparatively at that time and today's freshers which are getting hired, okay, you would say it was very much less. It was around 2.4, 2.5.
Yeah, today the freshers get 4.5.
That is industry standards. Yeah. Means currently industry standards are like that for a fresher hiring, you should avail this kind of packages.
Today we actually we are also an institute,
right.
And the students which get placed, the freshers especially, and we Ankush sir, of course, he's basically famous for Oracle DBA itself.
Yeah, right.
Most of the students which are placed from our institute are Oracle DBAs.
I do watch his videos if I came across some doubts. Okay.
No, he's very good at Oracle DBA. He's very good.
Yeah.
And I was telling most of the students who are freshers and they get placed, they get the package between 3.5 to 4. Or 4.5 sometimes. If it depends on industry to industry.
Right.
And when I talk to the persons who have experience, and they are like, हमें तो अपने time पे इतना मिलता ही नहीं है.
नहीं, right. That was not possible actually. They were we went as a trainee with 1.5 year experience. Okay.
Yeah.
Still we got this packages. Okay.
Yeah.
So comparatively today's
scenario is
better. It is a bit different, and with the growing things, okay, महंगाई भी बहुत बढ़ रही है. Okay. Yes. So it is necessity. Yeah. So my the guys which are working in my companies, right, they are hired from campus or like that. They are also being offered the same amount. So it is good thing.
Yeah. Okay. Coming to the technical part, Rakesh, for a naive person who wants to start his career as a Oracle DBA or who wants to enter into the IT, so for him, I would like you to explain what is Oracle DBA and how Oracle DBA is different from other DBAs.
Okay, see, Oracle DBA, I would first of all say like that. It is a database, okay, which is highly secured comparatively to other DBs. Okay. And most over, if you see, and if you go into any banking sectors, okay, you will see that they are using Oracle database.
Right.
Okay. So database which is structured relational database management system, we say, RDBMS.
RDB.
Okay, it has a structured format. Okay, most over nowadays there are many other tools, okay, which companies are using, okay, for warehousing, but there was only Oracle database. Okay, most of the companies you can say are using Oracle only.
Okay,
right. Because it is secured, your data is encrypted everywhere. Okay, that is the main purpose.
Right.
Okay, and now talking about pursuing Oracle DBA, why and how it can be. So it is the best part. Okay. If you are not interested in coding,
especially the coding,
okay, but nowadays it is also required. But if you want to pursue and you have any idea, okay, on how database works and you like SQL, okay, so you should mostly prefer Oracle DBA. I would say, yeah,
okay.
Yeah. So learning with Oracle means if you are handy with Oracle, I guess all other DBs will be very much easier for you to learn.
Okay. So you're saying that Oracle is much highly secure than the other databases.
Yeah, comparatively, and it is a structured DB. Okay, it has a relational things. Relations are there. It is stored in rows and column formats. Okay. And the data is been related. Okay, and fetching is encrypted. Insertions are encrypted. So your data is end-to-end encrypted, okay?
Yeah.
So that's why I gave the example of an banking sector.
Yeah, okay? Most of the banks go for
telecoms and bank, definitely they use Oracle itself.
Okay. My next question will be, like about roles and responsibility. So you're already 9 years experienced. For somebody who's joining as a fresher, what are the roles and responsibilities of like for his part? And when he gets experience, does these responsibilities of him change over the time, or what kind of changes become like his part of job?
So it's often, right, whenever you're joining as a fresher, okay. So definitely, if you're joining an MNC, okay, level 5 MNC, we can say, right?
Yeah.
Like Infosys, TCS, okay, Tech Mahindra.
Right.
So this kind of MNCs, if you're joining, right, definitely a fresher guy is going to get a monitoring side. Okay. So monitoring in sense that see these are a highly paid companies. Their clients are very much big. Okay, US clients, UK clients, foreign clients are there, Indian clients are also there. But data is secured. So fresher guys don't have any experience, right? So they are guided with the monitoring things first.
Okay.
So many of the companies, different companies have different monitoring tools. Okay. So like you can say health check of the DBs.
DBA, right.
If all the DBs are running properly, you would have heard about that secure view, not secure view, but our ServiceNow ticketing tool.
Okay, right.
Yeah, so many of the tickets we get right from the applications.
Right.
So assigning the tickets, looking at the tickets and assigning accordingly.
Like resolving those tickets is not a job. You have to
assign to your senior resource.
Seniors, right.
And small tasks are there for, like you will say that adding a table space, data files to the table space.
Right.
Okay, looking at the user's account if it is locked.
Okay, right.
Okay, that is a smaller task, right? They can take care of that.
Yeah.
So these kind of things are given to them.
And just making them familiar with.
Yeah, they are making it familiar. Likewise, right? If you start riding a new bike, okay, you're not handy with that.
Right.
Everyone says ride slowly, make it handy, and then you can speed up yourself.
Yeah, of course.
Same with the 4-wheeler as well, right?
Yeah, of course.
So once they perceive that thing, okay, they get an experience and handy on it. So year on year, they will get the things, and they will their position will get increased as well.
Right.
Okay, and definitely they will go and do the senior tasks as well. Okay.
So now, like, what kind of tasks, like after having 9 years of experience, so what kind of tasks you do?
Okay, see, so talking about that, the company I said, right, I started after 3.5 years, I switched.
Yeah.
Right. Currently, this is my 5th company.
Okay.
Yeah, because there were some ups and downs. I had to switch because every company won't give you everything to learn.
Yeah, right.
That is the thing. Means if you go somewhere in MNCs or any small scale, okay, small scale have all things you need to do.
Yeah.
But in MNC there is a patching, okay, means there is a different things, okay. Patching is there, your managements are there, your installation or capacity management, okay. Everyone has a different separate team. Core DBA task, they have separate team. Upgradation team is different.
Yeah, right.
Okay. So, moreover, all these years I have learned all these things, and currently where I'm working, I'm getting to learn all the things. Means I need to do all that tasks, okay, basic tasks as well, because that is a great thing.
Of course.
Yeah. So, as a senior DBA, okay, I need to look out for my juniors as well. I need to guide them if they are facing any issues.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Then making out the SOPs, okay, the company's SOPs, because every time we are doing the same task, right?
Right.
So we should have a proper place documentation, okay,
right.
And we have different technologies as well with Oracle.
Right.
So every team makes their own SOPs. We say Quickie. Quickie is there, right?
Yeah, right. Quickie is the term for like.
Yeah. So it's a documented process. So if I'm not there, right, and my team needs it, so they can just follow it.
Follow that.
Yeah. And all other major tasks, like we need to upgrade from on-premises to the cloud. Okay. We are using cloud as well. And you would be aware that currently they have Oracle has launched 23 AI.
Right. Sir told me. Ankush sir had a discussion with me about it. I'm not very aware of it. Like I don't. I
also got an exposure when I went for AIOUG, All India Oracle User Group.
Oh yeah, right.
Okay. So there I came to know. Means I was aware, but what exactly they are going to do, that things I came to know.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So we are planning for that as well. So this kind of things I need to carry out. Any escalation metrics are there, right? If application face any issue, okay, so they are going to point me. So I'm going to look into it with my colleague.
Okay.
If not possible from our end, we need to include our manager in that then.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
So, like, I saw that you are doing a heavy work now. Like, coming from a fresher to the 9 years of experience, the work profile gradually changes, and the work load, of course, it becomes higher. But yeah, I guess you like your job.
Yeah, definitely. I'm liking my job. I love it. Means I'm really passionate about doing this task.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's actually great when you love doing the job you do.
Yeah, that is the thing. Sorry to interrupt, but that is the thing. If you don't love your job, don't do it, I would say.
Yeah, of course.
You should love, then only you can perceive that properly.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
I completely agree.
Yeah.
And okay, the next question I would like to ask is, if you're a fresher and want to enter into the Oracle DBA, what kind of topics he or she should be well aware for the interview?
Okay, means if I want to guide a fresher guy, you say,
yeah,
right?
Of course, you have to guide a fresher guy. Which topics he must prepare for the interview?
So see, as I said, right, fresher would not get a handy experience on all the major tasks.
Yeah.
Okay. They would not get any exposure to it.
Yeah.
But they should be aware. So starting with we have Oracle Workshop 1, Workshop 2. Okay. Workshop 1 consists of your Oracle architecture.
Okay.
That is a basic thing. I would recommend freshers for making their basic very much fine, because I'm taking interviews of the guys, okay, where I see that they are working on OCI, but they are lacking in their basic experience.
Basic compiles of which
See,
topics?
basic, yeah, it's a Oracle architecture.
Basic architecture.
Architecture, okay. If I don't know, if I don't know my home architecture,
yeah, right.
And whenever my friend comes in my home, okay, and I want to show him the things, and I'm not aware how I can do that.
Yeah, right, of course. So
basically, I would say you should start with Oracle architecture, okay, which is in your Workshop 1.
Yeah.
Okay, then your user management, your table space management, okay, then undo management is also part of it.
Okay.
Okay, then your backup recovery.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, this comes in your Workshop 1.
Yeah.
Then your Workshop 2, which is a highly graded, you can say, that is your data card, disaster recovery.
Okay.
Your
right.
ASM, automatic storage management.
Okay.
Then and then RAC as well. RAC is not part of Workshop 2, but you should have that. Okay, real application cluster.
For the freshers as well.
Yeah. Why not? Because if you want to stand out from others with the plus points, you should definitely avail it.
Right.
Plus with the certification, which is definitely a good point.
Right. Okay, like we have already discussed about the good parts. So are there any things which are like everything has a pros and cons?
Right.
So does this profile contain some kind of disadvantages as well?
I won't say like that. Means disadvantage in the scene, the thing I said, right? See, as in a DBA, okay, DBA is a role which are unsung heroes.
Oh my God.
Okay.
That's a big statement to pass.
Yeah, because the thing is, you will always see that developers are recognized for their work. Okay. You would not see any DBAs is recognized to work 24/7.
Right.
You show me which developer is working into 24/7 support.
Yeah.
Okay, but DBA, they will work in 24/7 support. Okay, they can't regret anything. Okay, because we need to maintain the system properly.
Right.
Okay, if system is running properly, then and then your customer is happy in the front end.
Right.
Okay, so yeah, if you love that kind of things, it is very much better thing for you. If not, and you are pursuing the thing, it is a worst thing for you.
So you are saying
it's a nightmare.
So there is no disadvantage or a bad side of a DBA.
Yeah, it depends on your thinking. Okay.
Right.
Yeah, if you are ready to work as an fresher, see, coming into this company, okay, which I joined in 2023.
Right.
Before that, I was doing a 24/7 support, rotational shifts.
Okay.
Okay, so, and I guess everyone is not often with it. Okay, means they are not usually adaptive to these things. Okay,
right.
So they think that a job should be of 9 to 6. That's it.
Yeah, exactly. मतलब shift में काम करना, it's not a very feasible thing for everyone. I agree.
So if you are feasible with that, it is an advantage for you. If you are not, that is a disadvantage for you.
Yeah. All right. Rakesh, I can see that we had a great discussion. I would just like to conclude it with since you're already working as a 9 years with a 9 years of experience. That means you are a complete, a whole hearted IT professional.
Yeah.
Now, so just a small message for the viewers, like कि आप कैसे IT field को enjoy कर सकते हैं, और अगर आप enter करना चाहते हैं तो what should be done. So a small message.
Okay, so I would say that you should start learning new things. Okay, should adapt new things, and you should love your job first of all.
Right.
Yeah, that would be a better thing. If you want to enter the IT field, you should love your job, and it will make the picture clear for you, and you will start enjoying the same thing.
Yeah,
okay?
Right.
And the field can be anything. Okay.
Not just a DBA, but
yeah, DBA would be preferred.
Okay, of course, you are a DBA. You will promote being a DBA.
I would definitely prefer. Okay, you can go with this thing. Okay, because this is a very nice job. Okay, you don't have to do codes. Okay, so it's a great opportunity you can perceive. Okay, Oracle DBA is a great platform to start with. You can do it, and yeah, that's what I can say.
Okay, Rakesh. We had a great session.
Thank you so much for inviting me to your institute.
Of course, if we'll require, we'll call you again for some
definitely.
better insights.
I would be happy to.
Yeah, of course. We'll have some discussion like on a particular topic-based discussion.
Yeah, definitely.
This was just an introductional podcast, and if I'll require you, we'll call you back.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. So guys, this was an interesting discussion with Rakesh. If you like the video, do like it and share it with your friends. For more such interesting and informative content, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Until next time, this is Devanshi signing off. Bye-bye.